Hi, Tommy. It's Paul. I just heard from a mush that you've been a real naughty boy. Somebody's taken offence to you acting like the big guy all of a sudden, giving it a big shot thing. Well, don't say I never warned you or nothing. Boasting is a mug's game, son. Anyway, I heard there's some flies been put on your head and someone's gonna have a crack at you, so watch yourself. And remember me, mate.
I'll give you an elbow to the head.
I got us some cannons in the trunk.
Holy shit, where'd you get all this stuff?
Been saving for a rainy day. You like?
Yeah, I like.
If he dies.
This place is gonna be crawling with assholes. Be careful.
Don't worry, Tommy. I'll cover you.
Respond to a 10-90 in Central Turkish Island. Suspect on foot. There is a 10-71 in Central Turkish Island. This was a 10-90 in Central Turkish Island. Respond to a 10-71 in Central Turkish Island. There is a 10-90 in Central Turkish Island. There is a 10-71 in Central Turkish Island. Suspect on foot. There is a 10-90 in Central Turkish Island.
Diaz must be inside.
10-71 in Central Turkish Island.
Come on then, tough guy. You ain't going stupid.
Diaz! I've come to take over your business!
Tommy, you betrayed me, you idiot! I'm gonna kill you real soon! Eat this, you murdering bastards! You stupid freaks! My beautiful house! Look what you've done to it!
This is for my brother!
I trusted you, Tommy. I would have had you made.
Say goodnight, Mr. Diaz.
She's always giving me a hard time. Get out my way to the river.
Tommy, son, have I got a surprise for you? I'm down at the recording studios with some major artists. Why don't you pay us a visit? You know it makes sense, don't ya? See you later.
Oye, cuidado, step aside.
Tommy, remember me?
Hello, Sonny.
That's right, Sonny. We're all friends. You never write me, you never call. Don't you want to be friends no more?
I've been busy trying to sort things out. You didn't give me a lot of support down here, Sonny.
Oh, my fault, is it? Well, I've heard you've been busy, all right. Busy killing drug barons, busy taking over. Don't forget about us, Tommy, because I can assure you, I ain't forgotten about you.
Nice shirt.